Before we proceed further, request you to please subscribe to our channel as shown above. Hello friends, welcome to Kamath Astrology. The topic I am going to speak today is we need to take extreme care of our children for the next 1 month, starting 14 January 2022 till 4th Feb 2022. The reasons for this I will explain in the subsequent section. Now on 14th January 2022, Sun, the planet of our health, our immunity, the king moves into the sign of Capricorn from the sign of Sagittarius. And this festival is known as Makar Sankranti. Because the sun goes to meet his son Saturn in the sign of Capricorn. Remember, Saturn is the ruler of sign of Capricorn. And right now Saturn is present with Pluto in the sign of Capricorn, which means the sun comes under the influence of Saturn and Pluto. Now, what is Saturn? Saturn represents structure, hard work, discipline, delays, limitations, obstacles. And what is Pluto? Pluto represents the underworld. Pluto represents transformation through death. Pluto represents breaking down of old structures and creating new structures that will benefit mankind. But before it does this, it brings about a lot of destruction, and through that destruction, it channels a new beginning. Now, along with the Sun and Saturn, we also have the planet Mercury or Budh present in the sign of Capricorn. And Mercury or Budh represents communication. Mercury or Budh in medical astrology represents the nervous system. It also represents diseases such as stammering, and Mercury also represents our speech, our ability to communicate. Mercury represents marketing and analytical skills. It represents our logical thinking ability. Mercury also represents autoimmune diseases. Gemini represents communication. The sign of Virgo represents working with our hands. It also represents small children. So Mercury represents small children. Virgo is the natural sixth house in the zodiac belt, representing diseases, representing obstacles, representing hurdles. And Mercury is the ruler of the sign of Virgo, and he is now going into the sign of Capricorn and conjuncting with Sun, Pluto and Saturn. So therefore, what happens is the immunity of children gets badly affected in this time period. The possibility of children getting hospitalized due to problems with their nervous system or due to a disease greatly increases in this time period. This is because both Sun and Mercury are now afflicted by Saturn and Pluto. And remember, Saturn and Pluto can increase the disease, can increase the volatility in this time period with respect to the children's health. In addition to this, Mercury is going retrograde from 14 January 2022 till 4th February 2022. When a planet goes retrograde, it takes us back to the past. So some kind of past communication, some kind of past contract which we have signed, all that may come back to haunt us in this time period. At the same time, because Mercury represents children and the current COVID pandemic is going on, this disease can come to haunt these children, can cause trouble in the life of children. And since Mercury represents our nervous system, it represents the neurological diseases, it represents our communication. We need to be extremely careful with our children. We need to make sure that our children are adequately protected. If possible, try not to send your children outdoors as much as possible. Keep them within the confines of your home. But I know children are children and they want to go out and play. In that case, make sure they are following the proper precautions, they are wearing the masks properly, and they are not getting exposed to a crowd or to lot of people, because there is a high chance of children getting infected by the COVID virus in this time period. As I have already mentioned in my earlier videos, the COVID cases will now go on increasing exponentially till the end of April. We know that the month of March and April is going to be very critical for us, and the COVID cases will start peaking by mid of Feb itself. So friends, do take care of your children, keep them safe, do not expose them to crowds, do not go out unnecessarily with your children to crowded places, and keep them safe is what I want to convey through this video. So I will keep this video very short and I will not make it a lengthy video. Remember, Mercury becomes direct on 4th Feb 2022 and Sun exits the sign of Capricorn on 13th February 2022. So the time till 4th Feb and 13th Feb 2022 is when we need to take extreme care of our children, because Sun and Mercury are with Saturn and Pluto and also aspected by Rahu. So this is a dangerous time for children, and parents, please make sure you take care of your children. That is the only message I wish to convey. So friends, thanks a lot. Take care and stay safe. Now my contact details are given in this slide. For any consultations, you can reach us at astrosevaworld@yahoo.com. You can also reach us through our website astroseva.tripod.com. So friends, thanks a lot. Bye. Take care and stay safe.